back to another video. Today we're doing Demonology Part 2. As my last video got 1.4k views, which is the most I've ever gotten. So I did say I was going to do a Part 2, so I'm doing a Part 2. In this video I'm going to be playing with an actual player, as last time I did a tutorial with an NPC. So I was just going to invite someone. So on level 24, Alvin the Chipmunk. Hi! Who knows Alvin the Chipmunk? Okay, thanks. Wait, who? This is just depressing, bro. Yes, thank you. Okay, let's start. Okay, finally. Okay, where did he go? Okay. Okay, it's going. Oh yeah, bro. Let's take that. Let's take that and that, and I want to take that, but it's useless. Oh yeah, okay, we need the projectile 100%. Hey. The lights, they don't have power. Okay, that's no good. That's no good. Okay, no light. Bro, bro. Did you just go for? Okay. This flashlight is the most useless flashlight in the whole world, bro. Why am I not scared now? Guy. Help, brother. Oh my god. Oh my. OMG. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Oh my god. Okay. EMF 3. Oof. No, I forgot to grab a EMF. Okay. Okay, what? Where's okay? Bro, this fridge. Okay, where are we? Wow, no. Okay. Okay, where are you? I can't even see the guy. I don't know. Because no, bad thing. Where the heck is this guy? Just creep me out. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.